praisers and savers, before we get started, I wanted you to watch this total drop. It started at like $100 and something, and this is my favorite part of couponing. My total was dropping it like it's hot, and if you want your total to drop to 56 cents, just like mine, then stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to share with you guys some great news because I haven't been on my channel in weeks. I am a district finalist for Teacher of the Year, so that's me, very surprised, crying there in that picture. A lot of great things happening in my life. My husband and I also went to a charity ball with the University of South Carolina Gamecocks, and so we've just been doing a lot of different things. Here are some pictures here with some friends of ours at the charity ball, so we're all looking pretty spiffy. And then this guy's pants, like I have no idea who this guy was, but I had to take a picture with him because I love a little bit of sparkle. And in addition to all that, I lost my grandfather, William, and so he was 85 years old, so I've been very busy these last couple weeks, so I apologize for being absent with Teacher of the Year, the ball, and then my grandfather's passing. Just pray for my family, guys. So let's get into it. My first deal is going to be, of course, the Tide deal. You know I love this deal. And they've been running this spend 20, get $5 back in extra care bucks for a little while now. What I ended up doing, just because these are the things that I like to buy, I got the Tide pods that are $12.99, and I got the liquid Tide that's $12.99. That's going to bring our total to $25.98 before coupons. Of course, we're going to get back the $5 in extra care bucks because we spent over $20. And then we're going to be able to use both of these $3 coupons on the Tide Pods and the $3 coupon on the laundry detergent. So that's $6 in coupons. So with the $5 extra care bucks and the $6 in coupons, our total was $14.98, or about $7.49 each. Nothing, amazing on that. But this is some high value Tide, and I do usually try to pick this up when I come into the store. This is a repeat deal I've been getting for some weeks now. These Chex Mix bars are usually $5.29 each. That's very high, but they're on sale at CVS, 2 for $5. You do have to buy 2 boxes because if not, it's going to be $3.29 each. So buying 2 boxes is going to be $5. We do have a $1 back on IBOTTA that can be done up to 5 times. So because I am buying 2 boxes, I'm going to get $2 back, which will bring my total for both boxes to $3 or $1.50 each. There's some great deals on Axe this week. I'm going to be getting these deodorants for just 18 cents each. You could get the body wash, and I think there's some better deals on that, but my store did not have any body wash. These are usually $7.49 each, but because they're buy one, get one 50% off, they're $5.18 each, which makes both of them $10.36. We have this $2 coupon on the CVS app, and we also have the $2 on Ibotta, which you're going to get back twice. So that's $4 on Ibotta. In addition to that, when you buy both of these acts, you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks. So with the $2 coupon, the $4 back in extra care bucks, and the $4 back from Ibotta, your total is going to be 36 cents or just 18 cents each. That's a great deal. So we have a high valued extra care bucks on this Shea Moisture products, and the cheapest one my store carries is the $10.29 styling gel. So what you're going to do is pick up both of these styling gels at $10.29 each. Your total will be $20.58. Now, because you're getting both of those, you're getting to that threshold of $20. You're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. So that's a high valued in extra care bucks. So then after you do that, you'll be able to use this $6 coupon on the CVS app when you buy 2. So your total will be $4.58 or about $2.29 each. So I'm still sharing deals with you guys, but I do want to remind you, please, please, please click that like button. It helps me a ton Also, comment your deal of the day. My deal of the day is going to be on this Shea Moisture product. This is going to be my best deal, I think, of the day, since it's going to be such a high valued item. Also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Either print it off or just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write any of these deals down. So one of my co-workers have been asking for some contact lens solution, and I'm glad that I was able to find this for her. This is $21.49 each usually, but we're going to be getting this just for $5.99 each. Let me show you how. So the sale item for this week on this is $16.99. We do have a $6 high value coupon on the CVS app. We're also going to get back $5 in extra care bucks just for buying this one item. So with the $6 coupon and the $5 extra care bucks, our total for this item will be $5.99. So this is a freebie. Anytime I get the $4 off Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools, I always pick up the emery boards. These are $3.99, and we have a $4 off with the Revlon products, and it works just fine. So it's a freebie. Now, what I like to do with these is I like to put them, put a couple of them in zippy bags, and then put those inside of blessing bags to give out to people who are in need. I think that's one thing that's overlooked a lot is how to take care of nails. Because, you know, we can bite them and that sort of thing, but it's not good for us. But this will help them to be able to file down their nails. So great product to get, and it's a freebie. So if you're like me, you have a ton of toothpaste in your stockpile. So anytime I can pick up toothbrushes, I do that. But you can mix and match this deal. These are $3.99 each for the Crest. So you can either get the toothpaste or the toothbrushes. And you have to buy 2 of them to get back the $3 and extra care bucks. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to double up, and I'm going to do this deal twice, because if you look at the little hang tag right there, it says that you can buy, if you do the deal, you'll be able to get the extra care bucks twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this Crest. I'm just going to say it's $3.99. We're going to pick up 4 of them, whether we get the toothbrushes or the toothpaste. Our total is $15.96. Now, there is going to be a glitch. What's going to happen is, no, it's not a glitch, excuse me. What's going to happen is you're going to get back $5. You're going to use that $5 coupon that you see there on the CVS app, and then that $1 coupon you see on the CVS app. So that's $6 in coupons. Also, we're going to get back the extra care bucks. You're going to get it back, the $3 times 2, because you're doing it twice. So that's $6 extra care bucks. So with the $6 in coupons and the $6 extra care bucks, your total will be $3.96, or about 99 cents each on these. All right, so my store is out of what I'm going to tell you to get. So what you need to get is the Venus razors or the Gillette razors that are $10.29. Excuse me. You see that I'm pointing to them now. My store was out. So what I ended up doing was getting the Comfort ones that are $13.79. So I just wanted to show you that. And then I have a $3 coupon on the CVS app. So what you're going to do is get 1 Gillette men's razor and 1 Gillette women's razor. Okay? You're going to get both of those. And then your total is $10.29 each, or $20.58. All right, so there's going to be a $3 coupon on the CVS app that you can use for the men's, and a $3 CVS coupon you can use on the women's. Now, I was lucky in my store that they had these Blinky coupons, and if you don't know what a Blinky coupon is, it is a machine in your store, and they have coupons in it, and you pull the coupon out, and it kind of blinks, and more coupons pop out. We had them a lot when I was younger, like in the 90s. We don't have them as much now, but so that you're going to use that if you have it in your store. I was so excited to have it in my store. And then we're going to get $8 back in extra care bucks. So with the $6 in coupons and the $8 back in extra care bucks, your total will be $1.96 for both of them, or 98 cents each. That's a great deal. What is a trip to CVS without some cheap or free toothpaste? So the Colgate total, we're going to be getting this for just 49 cents each. Now, there is a deal where if you spend $10 on the Colgate total, toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash, you'll get back $5 extra care bucks. Well, if you get the toothpaste that's $4.99, that works because it's within the threshold. They have this threshold at CVS where if you get close enough to the mark, it will give you the $5 extra care bucks. So this Colgate toothpaste is $4.99. We're picking up 2 tubes. Our total will be $9.98 each. We do have a $2 coupon on the CVS app that we're going to use on one. And then we also have a $2 coupon on the coupons.com app that we're going to scan our receipt to get back $2 in our account. So with that $4 worth of coupons and the $5 in extra care bucks that we will receive, our total will be 98 cents for this toothpaste, or just 49 cents each. So I actually went to the pharmacy to get some medicine, and I always print my receipts because you just never know what you're going to get. And I know I haven't couponed in weeks, but I was super excited that this $15 off $75, your next purchase printed off. So I use that in addition to everything else that you see here in this video. I was just really excited to get this. It's a huge coupon. And remember, guys, when you get store coupons like these are CVS store coupons, you're able to use these in conjunction with all the other coupons. That's the great thing about CVS. You're able to stack all those manufacturer coupons and all these store coupons to get your out-of-pocket as low as possible. And that is how I was able to get my total, I'm looking at my receipt now, of $103.73 down to just 56 cents. That is insane. That's not in addition to what I'm going to submit to coupons.com, to IBOTTA, and to Fetch. So it's going to be pretty much a moneymaker transaction when I get done with everything. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box. Either print it off or just pull it up on your phone and take it in the store with you. Also, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, comment your favorite deal of the day. That helps me a ton, and it keeps bringing all these amazing videos back to you. I hope to see you all soon, and I will let you know about the finalists of District Teacher of the Year coming next week. Thanks, guys.